Welcome to St. Francis School of Health Sciences, Namataba Mukono, a center of excellence dedicated to training healthcare professionals. At St. Francis School of Health Sciences, we believe that healthcare is not only a profession, but also a calling to serve humanity.
My name is Nurse Ambakaran Stefan, a student pursuing clinical medicine and community health here at St. Francis School of Health Sciences. We have medical doctors that are very experienced, and since they have been in the medical field for a very long time, they don't teach just to finish the syllabus, but they sit with us, explain to us everything so that we understand step by step.
We cultivate values out of our students, including discipline, innovation, leadership, and these are what define a graduate from St. Francis School of Health Sciences. We train several medical courses that span right from certificate, diplomas, and of late we have acquired the degree programs. Many of those you will find on our several platforms.